This is our introductory video on Earth Air tubes at the Green Garage. And Earth Air tubes are tubes that are, view them about 12 inches in diameter, that you place under the ground. And what they do is they preheat the air in the winter that you're bringing in from outside, and they pre-cool it in the summer. So suppose it's 60 degrees outside and you bring, it's 0 degrees outside in the winter, you bring that air through the Earth Air tube, it warms it to 40 degrees before it brings it in. And in the summer when it's hot and sticky outside and 90 degrees, you're bringing that air down through the cool earth, and it's cooling it down to about 70 degrees before you bring it in. So this is a way at the Green Garage that we're trying to get connected to the earth, and we're working with the earth, not against the earth.